Hello everyone, this is Sean G. on my list here. Today I am going to be doing this challenge called the Knife Pistol Challenge. You are allowed to use, obviously, your knife, your pistol, but you're allowed to use any other pistol from the mystery box too. That includes Cat 40, Python, Executioner 5.7, dual wield 5.7. I am not going to use the ray gun, but you can use the ray gun. Not the Mark II, just the ray gun. Because the Mark II is considered like an assault rifle kind of wonder weapon because it's a 3-round burst. There's no 3-round burst pistols. Best tip for this, definitely knife till wave 3. Don't use any of your ammo because you still got to save it up. Wow, 3 of them in the same spot. That's different. But you definitely got to be more cautious because you don't have Jug. And you're going to knife up to wave 3 just because that's how much it'll take you until to get Jug. Unless you hit a double point early. Hopefully I could get one of those. That's why I am definitely throwing the grenades in a fire pit. But after I get Jug, I'm going to keep my grenades until I can get a better pistol. Or I'm just going to save up for Mustang and Sally. I'm not sure which yet. Here's the last one. Alright. Wave 1's easy. All you gotta do is knife 1. But the next one, you will have to knife them twice unless they are on fire. If they're on fire, you have to knife them once. The thing is, they'll blow up right in your face. So you got to be careful. Like this guy, he's already up. I knifed and he hit me. So you got to back off and try it again. Do not stand right in front of me. This guy's on fire. I can probably knife him and he'll blow up. Oh, he did not. Okay. Sometimes that will happen. Well, maybe you do have to knife him twice. I'm not an absolute expert, but I'm alright. Alright, let's get over here before he gets in the fire. I'd rather... Oh my god. He almost hit me twice in one. Jeez, why are you sprinting? Stop running! That's ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna shoot this guy 4 times and just knife him. If they are sprinting like that, I recommend shooting them a few times because they're gonna run and whack you like crazy. They're gonna windmill you. But if they're walking like the guys over there, then you just have to hit them once and back off quickly. Well, that one died. Oh my gosh, this game's really just trying to screw with this. Fast ones, shoot and then knife. Slow ones, you just knife and back off. It's just ridiculous how much these things just want to sprint at you on wave 2. Alright. Where are these guys coming from? This is not the best spot to stand. Coming here? No. That sounds like a runner. That's pretty close to a runner. Oh, that's definitely a runner. Well, I'm probably going to train these guys a tad bit and then throw a grenade down. If I already threw my grenade down. Good stuff. I'm in good hands. I might just shoot. Well, I thought they would have been slow still up to wave 3, but they're not. They are very fast. Scary. Right, I'm gonna grab this for 2 ammo. I have no grenades. Well, this is actually scarier than I thought, this challenge. I thought it'd be a piece of cake to get by the first few waves. But it really isn't. Well, I have 3250, so I'm gonna definitely go up and buy Jug. Even though I have 9 bullets left, I really need a max ammo. Alright, now I'm stuck knifing forever. Alright. Well, I'm doing fairly well now. Alright. Well, after having Jug, I can knife a little better. Now I'm going to keep these grenades and not throw them in right away because I'm going to have to train them a little bit and like throw them around here or wherever I'm at where I won't go into fire right away. So blow them up a little bit because I have no ammo. I had to waste it because they're sprinting. Well, best advice, just survive. Honestly, if you have to use ammo, use it. I'm a hypocrite about everything I say, so I'll say things and it is good advice, but the thing is sometimes you have to improvise. So shit with these things. Get over here. Huh. There we go, that's what I wanted to see. Okay. Stuck in the car. I don't know what I want to do. I'm getting close to Mustang and Sally. I'm not sure if I want to do Mustang and Sally or do I want to try to hit the box a few times for another pistol. I definitely don't want to get another perk right this second. Alright, well, I'm going to stick with this. And hope for the best. Hopefully they're not all sprinting this next wave, but probably with my luck they're going to be sprinting. I really need them to be walking. But they're not. Usain Bolt zombie away! Alright. Knife. 4 knives. Good. That's what I wanted to see. Something almost impossible to do with 8,000 zombies. Oh my god, look at all these things. There we go. That was good. Don't go to fire. Don't go to fire. Oh wow, they all decided. Wow, there's a lot of half-times. That's well, any of them? There we go. Mustang and Sally. This is what I want to do right here. Well, I'm going to be set for a little bit. One bullet. That was good. Alright. Well, now I can save up for perks, or I could go for, what is it? Another pistol. Well, now I don't need these things. Now that you have Mustang and Sally, I'd recommend going for Mustang and Sally first after you get Jug instead of going for another pistol, because you never know. You might get good luck to get a good pistol right away, but if you get assault rifles or something else, you're not even supposed to pick it up.